So we don't have a separation between our bedroom and our living room. So we've decided to move our wardrobes in the middle of our bachelor's apartment. So we'll be doing some very cool fabric patterns on the other side of the cupboard, and on this side we've decided to do a chalkboard. So I will show you guys how I did this, just so that you can see it's very easy to do, and yeah, it's very easy, so you will see in these following steps. I hope you enjoy!
Hi! Okay, first step, wear something comfortable. Second step, what you'll need. So we've got some Plascon chalkboard paint that we bought like for 100 Rand, and it's black pop 20. And then we've just bought any old brush that we could find. Earthwise, that's the name of the brand. And then some Turpentine, just in case you make any mistakes. And then your white chalk. Now let's get this started. First, what I did was I wiped the surface just to get rid of any dust that might be on the surface. And then, yep, I just started painting. As you guys can see, I went from left to right throughout the whole video. So from top to bottom, that was the way I painted. I'm not sure if it will affect how it comes out at the end if you paint in any other way. So yeah, I mean, just play around with it and see how it looks when it dries a little bit. Yep, so enjoy the rest of the video.
So that's it. I hope you guys have enjoyed that video, and if you have any questions, you can always pop me a comment. Thank you.